Hello everyone, happy morning. Have you all eaten your breakfast? Okay, let us move to the class. And today we are going to learn the second lesson Rohit and Shalu play. Page number 10 and 11. Today we are going to learn the second lesson. What is that? Rohit and Shalu play. Okay, let us learn it. Rohit and Shalu are in the house. Tommy is in the house. They want to play. Rohit and Shalu, they are in the house and Tommy is in house. Who is Tommy? It is a dog. It is a pet animal. Okay. Rohit, Shalu and Tommy want to play. Okay. Now let's see the conversation about Rohit and Shalu. Okay. Listen carefully. Rohit said, I want to play. And again, Shalu also said, I want to play too. Here, they want to play. Look, Tommy wants to play. Shalu said like that. Look, Tommy wants to play too. These three, Rohit, Shalu and Tommy wants to play. So that Rohit and Shalu go to the garden. Tommy also. Rohit, Shalu and Tommy go to the garden for play. Okay. At the time, Rohit said, I want to play with the ball. What he said, I want to play with the ball. And Tommy wants to play with the ball too. Rohit said, I want to play with the ball. And also, Tommy also wants to play with the ball, like that Rohit said. And Shalu said, let us play in the garden. Where is the ball? They are searching a ball. Let us play in the garden. They go to garden and then they are searching ball. And Rohit saw the ball. Look, the ball is on the tree. Rohit said, look, the ball is on the tree. Where is the ball? It is in the... Okay, where is the ball? It is on the tree. Where is the ball? It is on the tree. Rohit saw the ball. And Shalu said, look, look, the ball is on the tree. How can we get it down? And Shalu also saw the ball. It is on the tree. Then she asked, how can we get it down? How can we get it down? How can we get it the ball down? Like that she asked. At the time, their father came there. Rohit said, here comes father. Father, father, the ball is on the tree. Can we get it down? Like that, Rohit asked to the father. And the father said, come Rohit, come Shalu, we can get the ball down. Up you go Rohit, up you go Shalu, go up on the tree, we can get the ball down. Like that father said to them. What he said, come Rohit, come Shalu, we can get the ball, we can get the ball down. And then he said, up you go Rohit, up you go Shalu, go up on the tree. The father said to them, and if you go up, we can get the ball down, like that the father said to them. And Rohit and Shalu climb up the tree. They climbed up and then here comes the ball father. Catch the ball father. The ball has come down. Thank you father. Rohit said like this. Here comes the ball father. Catch the ball father. The ball has come down. Thank you father. Here they get the ball. And again, at last Rohit said, thank you father, because father only helped them. So that Rohit said, thank you father. They got a ball. Okay, at first who wants to play? Rohit, Shalu and Tommy. They want to play. And They were in the house. They want to play, so that they went to the garden. At the time, Rohit said, I want to play. Shalu also said, I want to play too. Look, Tommy wants to play too. Like that, they said. And then Rohit, Shalu, and Tommy go to the garden. They went to the garden for playing. At the time, Rohit wanted to play with the ball. Tommy also wanted to play with the ball. And Shalu said, let us play in the garden. Where is the ball? They are searching for a ball. And Rohit saw the ball. Look, the ball is on the tree. Where is that ball? The ball is on the tree. Very good. Shalu said, look, the ball is on the tree. How can we get it down? Shalu saw the ball. It is on the tree. And she asked, how can we get it down? How can we get the ball like that? She asked. At the time, father came there. And then here comes father. Father, the ball is on the tree. Can we get it down like that? Rohit asked the father. Father said, come Rohit, come Shalu. We can get the ball. If you go up, we can get the ball easy like that. The father said, and then they go up on the tree. Shalu and Rohit climb up the tree. And then they got a ball. Here comes the ball. Father, catch the ball. Father, the ball has come down. Thank you, father. Rohit said. Like this, they got a ball. And last, Rohit said thank you to father. This is the conversation between Rohit and Shalu. Okay. What is the mean by climb up? CLIMBUP. What is the meaning? It means to go towards the top. To go towards the top. Very good. Okay. Could you understand this conversation? Shall I ask some questions from this conversation? Okay. Now, I'll say one statement. If it is true means you have to say true. If it is false, you have to say false. The first one, Rohit and Shalu wanted to study. Rohit and Shalu wanted to study. Is it true or false? False statement. It is a false statement. Very good. And the next one, Rohit and Shalu went to the garden to play. Rohit and Shalu went to the garden to play. Is it true or false? It is a true statement. Very good. It is a true statement. And the third one, the ball was on a tree. The ball was on a tree. Is it true or false? It is a true statement. Fourth one, Rohit climbed up the tree to get the ball back. Yes, it's also true statement. Okay, now I will give some words. You have to fill the blanks. I'll give the words. You have to choose the words to fill the blanks. Could you understand? Yes? Okay. The words are play, Rohit, garden, ball, Shalu. Play, Rohit, garden, ball, Shalu. Now I will ask the questions. You have to fill the blanks using these words. The first one, Rohit and Shalu played in the dash. Rohit and Shalu played in the dash. What is the answer? The answer is garden. Rohit and Shalu played in the garden. Very good. And the next question, Tommy also wanted to dash with Rohit and Shalu. Tommy also wanted to dash with Rohit and Shalu. The answer is play. Tommy also wanted to play with Rohit and Shalu. The third one, the dash was on the tree. The dash was on the tree. What is the answer? The answer is ball. The ball was on the tree. And the fourth one, father helped dash and dash to get the ball down from the tree. Father helped dash and dash to get the ball down from the tree. The answer is Rohit and Shalu. Father helped Rohit and Shalu to get the ball down from the tree. Very good, yes. Now, I am going to ask some questions. You have to answer for the question. And the first question, where was the ball? Where was the ball? The answer is the ball was on the tree. The ball was on the tree. The next question, who helped the children? Who helped the children? Father helped the children. Father helped the children. And the third question, where did Rohit and Shalu play? Where did they play? Where did Rohit and Shalu play? They played in the garden. Rohit and Shalu played in the garden. Very good, yes. Okay, now let us move to the pronunciation part. Repeat after me. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Creep. C-R-E-E-P. Creep. Feed. F-E-E-D. Feed. D-E-E-D. Deed. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. M-E-E-T. Meat. Feet. Meat. Fee. F-E-E. Fee. B-E-E. Bee. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. B-E-E-N. Bean. Weep. W-E-E-P. Weep. Deep. D-E-E-P. Deep. Greet. G-R-E-E-T. Greet. Sheet. S-H-E-E-T. Sheet. Free. F-R-E-E. Free. Agree. A-G-R-E-E. Agree. Sleep. Griep. Feed. Deed. Feet. Meat. Fee. Bee. Green. Bean. Weep. Deep. Greet. Sheet. Free. Agree. Okay, once again I will say, have to repeat after me. Sleep. Creep. Feed. Deed. Feet. Meat. Fee. Bee. Green. Bean. Weep. Deep. Greet. Sheet. Free. Agree. Very good. Okay, dears. And okay, dears, if you wanted to play What are the games will you play? You have to write this. What are the games do you like and why did you like that? Have to write about the game. This is your homework. You have to do it well. We will meet in next class. Bye bye and take care.